Good morning, students. In the last class, we started with Unit 5, Creativity and Innovation, and we discussed about different concepts that creativity, innovation, invention, and discovery. From all the process, the end results, we are getting something new. So, as we discussed, the creativity is a phenomenon whereby something new and somehow valuable is formed. The created item may be intangible or the physical object. Maybe we may come up with a creative idea, or we may come up with a creative product. And the innovation, it's in the modern meaning, it's in a new idea, creative thoughts, new imagination in the form of device or method. Whatever the ideas we are getting, so we are creating, that is like only idea. Here the innovation is we are coming up in a methods or in a process. Innovation is often also viewed as application of better solution that meet new requirement. Whatever the new requirement or the new, what we call as the need for the hour, the need for the process. For example, if any problem is facing by a company, to solve that, what kind of process is needed, what kind of method needs to be followed. The next, invention. An invention is an unique or novel device, method, a composition, or a process. It means the inventing the new process, new thing, the object. And the discovery, it's an act of detecting something new or something old that had been unknown. Means already available things which we are unknown, we're going to discover that. And also we discussed few components of creativity in the last class. So as per your fifth unit concern, here we're going to discuss only creativity and innovation. So how the creativity and innovation will help in organization development and to make the organization effectiveness and to implement the changes in organization effectiveness, and how the creativity through how we can intervene, how we can do the intervention using creativity and innovation. These are the things we're going to cover. All the concepts what we covered in this creativity and innovative things, all everything is relating to the business development. The end result of us is we need to develop a business, that is organization development and change. We are working on changing and development of an organization. So for in this process, how the creativity and innovation helps. So as for the business is concerned, the creativity means it's a bringing an existence an idea that is new to you, and the innovation, the practical application of creative ideas. There's a process called creative thinking. It means an initiate the talent that you are born within. Means the people say, everyone will think in the same way, so you won't get a solution. We will call it, some people like they will like creative thinking. Why? Means they always look the problem in a different manner. So always we need to look the problem, always we need to look the things in the different aspects. For example, same problem but the solution may be different. Last class I have told the problem is same. Now the COVID-19 outbreak, the problem is same, but the solutions are different. As I given the example that to running classes for teaching, why this problem arises? The problem is from COVID-19 outbreak. The colleges stopped working. What is the solution for that? We came up with an online teaching. We are using the different mode. And again, for evaluation, for examination, we are unable to run that examination because of this COVID-19. The problem is same, but we can't apply the same technique or the same process. So in many cases, the problems may be same, that the solutions is not same. So always we need to come up with a new. Okay, so in this chapter, we're going to study how we can implement the more creative and the innovative techniques in business to overcome and to make our organization developed. The creative solutions are more than ideas. The creativity is not only an idea, it's a solution to a problem in an organization. They must work in a real world. A creative solution has the three attributes. One is it's new, useful, and feasible. I'll take example now. Same, take your examination. We can't run the physical examination. The solution we can tell that we can do it in an online examination. But we should think that is this the solution for the problem? Are we able to run the examination properly? And also, while thinking this, for thinking about the online examination, we need to think that how it will be impact on real world. We need to check that it is new. Yes, the new examination is new, online examination. So earlier before never thought of doing online examination. This is new and it is useful. Yes, if you do the online examination, it's useful in that it solves the problem. What is the problem now? We are not able to do the examination. If you're not conducting the examination, how we can promote the students to the next stage? So through online examination, we can solve the problem. And the last one, it is feasible? No. If it is feasible, we might have started the examination. The universities might, why it is not feasible means lack of invigilation, lack of facility, network, lack of infrastructure, we can call it, means the technical infrastructure. So then this is not a creative solution, or that doing online examination is not a creative solution, online examination. But yes, if the problem goes like this, then we need to find out the best in the available thing. So we need to make it feasible. We need to adjust it in an organization also. Always, whenever you get in a problem, you need to find out for a creative solution, not an idea. Ideas we may get, but we need to check that how it will be helpful in the real world. So is it matching the all these three? The one creative idea, always it should be any new. If already someone's idea, if you're copying, it's not any creative. Second one, it is useful. So you stating that okay, this is a new idea of what I'm bringing, so you can come up with a new idea. So if that idea is not useful, if that idea is not helpful in the solving the problem, that is not any creative idea. That may create the more problems. So always you need to make sure that the creative solution, the creative idea which you're bringing, it should be a useful, and in that it should solve the problems which we are facing. Then only we can call it as a creative. And the next one is it should be a feasible. So feasible in the case of like different aspects which will come, the resources, the money, time. The company is facing the problem nowadays. The manufacturing companies are facing the problem due to this COVID-19 outbreak. The real problems are they wanted to start the manufacturing, they wanted to start the production, but due to government guidelines, even the government also given the permission to start the production, but they have kept some restrictions. Restrictions is that necessary, like you need to run only the workers within 50% of workers, and also you need to make sure that the proper social distancing should be maintained. And while bringing the people to the organization, you should keep the proper distancing in the transportation as well. So by analyzing all this, the people will not able to come out. There's a problem that the production didn't start. There's a solution. Solution means the new process they will set up, or yes, it will solve the problem, but it is not feasible. Why means, so you are running in a manufacturing industry and you're pricing the product, pricing you frame, or you make the pricing based on the earlier. For example, the product cost, it will like manufacturing cost is 100 rupees, you're giving 10 rupees of profit, you're selling it 100. That time transportation, everything is involved. Now to manufacture the same product, to bringing the people, earlier in a one van, in a one bus, you're getting 50 to 55 people, but now you can't bring more than 30 persons, because per seat one person, transportation cost will be doubled. And again, in a work location, you need to maintain a social distance. You're bringing only 50% of the workers, and you're paying the same electricity bill, same rent and other things. The fixed cost is doubled. If you work like this, the money will move, the cost of production will increase, the time will increase. These are the things, means the feasibility, if it is possible or not, we need to check that. Okay, whenever when we call it as a creativity, the creativity should have the new, and it should be useful, and it should be feasible, then only we will call as creative. So day by day we make it. For example, if you sit 30 minutes idle and think about anything, just think about yourself. Okay, what kind of business I need to start? Just make a small activity, small exercise. Sit after the class, just sit in a one room, just think about like, okay, leave about 30 minutes, just think about 10 minutes. What are the business I can start? Instead of going the further, you will get n number of ideas, you will get n number of creative ideas. But the problem is, you need to make it feasible. That is very difficult. Yes, you will get any new ideas, new thoughts, but someone might have already used that one, so we're not as creative. If I ask you, just overcome, just give me some suggestions to do an examination, definitely you will have a n number of ideas. Every person will come up with new ideas, but the problem is, it is not feasible. So you need to check the any idea, any creative thing, is it working, or it is useful, or it is feasible. So as I told, just do an exercise, sit 10 minutes, think about anything. If you in your friend, if you have any mobile, just take a mobile. What additional features can be added to the mobile? Already we have fingerprint, camera, the things. Just think that what is needed, what additional features can be added, and check that how it will be useful, and then feasibility. So is it cost, how much cost is it? Just Google it, or just discuss with some people who are in knowledge about the technical. Or you wanted to build in a new software, think that how it will be useful, and just contact some of the technical means or the software company. So I have an idea, is it feasible? So every person is more creative. The creativity comes out when there is a problem, and the creative solutions, the creative ideas will come out when you are in a trouble. Okay, so this is the creativity, how this is how the creativity starts, and this is the way we can find out the creative. The all the new ideas will not creative. When it will be creative idea, it should be new to the organization, or it should be new, and it should be useful to solve the problem. And the next, it should be feasible, should have the proper money, time, and other constrained resources. The next, creativity. So I will start with a creativity first. We will complete creativity, then we'll go with an innovation. Already we discussed the creativity is an act or an idea or a product that changes an existing domain or the transfer into a new one. So as I told that means, as I've taken the example that doing an online classes is not like you can tell that how it will be creative. So if you check with other colleges, like how they're doing the classes. So in our college, like based on the convenience, we are coming for example for taking the attendance, we are came within a live board because the people we are not sure the how students will watch, and then we came up with a creative solution that we'll keep we'll give an assignment every day. At least for writing the assignment, students will watch the videos. After doing all this, even I will see that like how you people are taking serious about this. It means creative solutions, and few classes we started Zoom classes to make it students engaged. I think the creativity can be described as a discovery of something that is novel, but also useful or relevant or economical and valuable. As I told, it should be feasible, it should be economical, it should be valuable. So we need to discuss. So we have some of the types of creativity. So they will not ask you about the types of creativity because this is the thing which we have named it based on the nature. So ultimately, like we don't have the fixed types of. There is no types of creativity because the creative thinking we will not keep it as like, okay, I need to think in technical creativity. I need to think on like emotional creativity. So there is no types of creativity, but we are found based on the nature. The primary creativity, it deals with the spontaneous creation. So whenever you are in the problem, for example, so you're coming to like you immediately like for example something as like in your daily life or a regular process, something as some problem you occur spontaneously without unknowingly you got any solution for that. For example, your laptop is not working, you did something, you typed something, it's got cleared, it's working now. Or your mobile phone is not working, or your bike is not working, you remove some plug and you kept and you did something, so it started working spontaneously. You without knowingly like you done something new. Or by doing painting or by doing sketch or drawing, like you did something new, like spontaneously you just unknowingly you created, you drawn something spontaneously. And then secondary creativity, in the primary creativity is not you're working on the problem, so you spontaneously you thought something like some new thing has come, so you find that so it is new thing and it is useful and it is feasible. And the secondary creativity, there is a problem, you looking for the solution in the same kind, so you need to go on this way. And the next one, technical creativity, finding out the improvement in a process as to improve the efficiency. Students, so all your mobile features is adding day by day as from the creativity. Earlier they introduced in a lock number, what keypad lock, then the number, then few people made a process that okay, if someone like knows that number they can open, then what they did, they added a fingerprint. And few people may face a problem in that. Why means, for example, you are working something or think that you are working in a farm or like you're doing something in kitchen or your hands is not good, like you wanted to open a mobile. If you test that mobile, it will screen, it will not work. For example, your hand is like oily something, that is a problem. Then they came up with a face recognition. This is the new thing. This is happening nowadays. You can see that, for example, in an iPhone, Siri, with Google, okay Google. Why means there's a problem in typing. People will like don't have, for example, you're doing some other work, like you wanted to call, just tell that okay Google, call to this person automatically. That's a creative idea. That's how they come. That's what we call as technical creativity, improving. Every month, like you might have seen that you're getting your software is updated, Android version is updated. Why means what are the problems you face, what are the reviews you're giving, based on that they're working on that. they're improving the technical. And the next is inventive creativity. It aims at devising new combination of ingredients. It means they wanted to do something new. So you might have seen that, like curve edge mobiles, or you can see that the screen guards itself every month they're coming new. Earlier Gorilla Glass, now 3D, 5D glasses, something. It means they wanted to bring something new in that, just using the same ingredient. If you're cooking, unknowingly if you put something else and it came different taste, that is primary. And while doing, you wanted to add that, okay, I want to do something with paneer, so that is secondary. Like you are like deliberately wanted to do something, and invent you using paneer, like how I can, like other dish I can prepare, that is invent. And the next one is innovative, inventive and innovative. It involves reaching the application of more basic ideas, such as management application of principles of psychology, to develop a much more effective system. The how the psychological factors affect, how psychological factors works in company. We discussed we are in the you discussed the previous semesters about the Maslow's hierarchy theory. So there, the first they will think about the basic. It means, so how your employees are thinking. If you implement those kind of innovative creativity, definitely. And the next one is emergent creativity. It means, yes, there you need to bring something new. Emergent, it should consider new revolutionary principle. So we should work on that. And in business, we have 4 P's of creativity process. I know that you all know that the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. But in creativity in business, we have 4 P's, that is product, person, press, and process. Okay. The parts of creativity, or you can call as the 4 P's of creativity: the product, person, press, and process. The first one is product. What is product? It means the physical or like tangible, which has the economical value, which has the value, and we are using that for the buying and selling purpose, the economic activity or the business activity. We call that the product. What makes the product creative or innovative? How do we measure it? How do you make the creative and innovative product? So for the existing thing, if you're adding the new feature, you can call that is innovative product. But always you need to think that the 3: is it the new, or the useful, and the feasible? You need to make that. You can create a new product, new design, but is it feasible to make it in a design process? You need to check that. The creative and innovative products. The next one is person. How individual, the characteristics of creative people. It means always they're ready to take a risk. They're curious. So always they want to try. Okay, how it will look like if I do like this. They're ready to take risk. Tolerance for ambiguity. It means how we can do that. People, they will get motivated. So always they wanted to develop. Always they wanted to bring something new. How does it relate to the business? the intellectual property, it means always they wanted to bring new ideas and with their names and implement ideas in all the areas. So how we can measure the personality of a person, what the person is like, the developmental events, cognition, the mind of function, preferences, the sensitive. These are the things we can just measure. That just think that how the person will work in the creativity process. How to and why measure individual creativity? How to improve individual creativity capacity? So how like training the creative tools? For example, brainstorming. We have different things. We have different tools here. So we discuss it in the next classes, like how we what is the different tools of creativity? What are the different techniques of creativity? And provide the resources. For example, if the person is creative and he was trying something new, means at least provide some resources to him. At least he will come up with the new ideas to the problems. Provide opportunities. So if you're providing opportunity, it will give a motivation to do something new and provide a safe space for creative behavior. For example, if it is the product is fired, like at least encourage them. At least next time you'll come up with a new. If you demotivate or if you definitely the person will not come with the new ideas next. So same how the groups and teams work. The creative team means the same kind of people are the creative people. They'll form a team. For example, you can see that the creative team mostly they'll work in R&D. How they check that person's creative based on his working nature. Why they are them? So the creative team, like you can see that, like in movies, serials, like they means they wanted to bring something new, or in designing. How and what do you measure? How to improve performance? Always they wanted to working on these things. Means how we can improve. How we can improve. You just take that like when you join the like at the first year now, like how the colleges improving means every aspects like we are improving means like we are organizing the new events and it will help the students and the training programs. The leaders, how does the creativity relate to the leadership? The key capacity, the organization development, the direction. These are the things where the leader has to come out. Means the creative leader we call it the press. It means the pressure from. It's in a need to create that the internal and external pressure, culture and climate. The press means something the force behind it's coming. So what are the positive characteristics? Challenge, freedom, idea support, trust, dynamics. Just these are the few elements which will come. But for your examination point, you won't get that fourth piece. But as for knowing how the business creativity works, just you should know about this fourth piece. Okay, this is apart from your syllabus. Just from the business, how the four piece, how the people, product, press, and the process will work. So just you need to know for you. And what is the negative characteristics? Conflict, workload pressure, bureaucracy, organizational impediments. How you can measure the pressure? So organizational evaluation for creative climate. Question is, and the last piece process, generate creative output, the functional parts of an organization, the functional bodies we can call, the functional department we can call. We have a different model to that. Just I'll share this PPT. Just go through this. These are some of the elements how it will. is data collection, clarifying the problem, generating ideas. It's a process. How the process will implement, how the process will work. Process tools and techniques. And the process management and improvement. How we need to measure. How we need to improve the process. If you put all together the product, person, place, and the process, you will get to know what creativity, what is it, what is creativity, how, what is needed for the business, why we are doing this, who does this, when, how. So if you know all these four P's, you're able to know how the product arrived, who created this, how it came. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please get back to me.